All right, this is the gestures to go with juggling in Latvian. Um, as always, I'll act them out and explain them a little bit. The first is the prefix pa, P-A, and you're lightening or softening any verb. So just lift up your hand a little bit like you're just milding, making something milder or lighter, lifting a little bit. So add is eat, pa-add is eat a bit. So it makes it milder. Skaties means kind of like look carefully. Paskaties means take a look. So paskaties, take a look. So first example, we had nyem, remember? So we're going to go panyem. So since you're raising your hand up, it's going to be like nyem, just not quite so grabby. It's going to be panyem, an upward raising nyem. Next one is going to be met. Met means throw. Anything that looks like a throw is fine. You'll hear this so many times in the video that it'll be easy to remember. Next one is kjer. Kjer means catch. Kjer. And so just snap your hand shut. Kjer. Next one is, you'll also hear that a lot of times. Next one is prieksha. Prieksha means in front. So hold out your locating fisted hand that we do with all the prepositions and put a finger in front of it. So prieksha. Prieksha means in front. That's it. Prieksha. Next one is nuo. Nuo. It's spelled N-O. It looks like no on the page, but that's that Latvian ua we talked about. And that means from. Nuo. And so cock your arm behind your head like get ready to throw something. Nuo. From wherever we are. Nuo. And karpa would be uz. To. Nuo. Shayens leads. Next one is left and right. Kresa, laba, which I guess would be kresa, laba. And kresa, laba, you'll see me using which hand for it, so it'll be obvious. I don't have to. Kresa is kresa. You act it out at the moment you say it. But you'll hear the endings of kresa and laba change the same way you hear all the nouns change. So kresua, kresai, and so on. Next one is gar, spelled G-A-R. It means alongside. And so give a flat hand, and so gar goes alongside something, gar. Next one is ya. Ya means if. Be careful. If you accidentally say it too long like ya, then it sounds like the word yes. Ya vai ne. But ya means if. And go ahead and just do ya. Tap your upper cheek twice with your pinky. Ya tu reds. If you see. Next one is skatīties. Skatīties means to look, and go ahead and do to frame the shot, because whatever you're watching like television, it's going to look like that. So you're ready for your close-up. So skatīties. Next one is kad. I think we've seen that. It means when. It's the question word. So look at your watch, and do the question. Always a shrug makes it a question word, and say kad. Well, the sequence doesn't matter. Kad or kad. Next one is the rhyme with kad, just like when rhymes with then. Kad rhymes with tad, then, tad. So do a loop-de-loop towards that wristwatch you have. Tad, and then, tad. Next one, var. Varet is to be able to. Var means can or is able to. Var, and for that, let's do a chin-up, right? It's a hard thing to do, but if you can, it's great. Var, ja, it's var, the var, you can. Right. Next one is, you know the numbers, viens, divi, tris, and the sequence numbers, just like English, 1 becomes first, 2 becomes second. They sound like different words. So we'll do viens, divi, tris. You just wag the counting fingers. So viens is 1, pirmais. Divi becomes otrais. Trīs becomes trešais. So pirmais, otrais, trešais. The first, the second, the third. Okay. Pirmais, otrais, trešais. And you'll hear those change too. When you say, do the first one, you'll say pirmo, otro. So you won't really hear pirmais, otrais very often. Next one is katrs. Katrs means each one, each or every. And so katrs, do like an inventory, like you're counting like, katrs, each of you here, katrs skolnieks. Next one is, simply means up, and it's augsha, lea. So just point up and say augsha, upwards or up. Nākošais ir zem. Zem is the preposition, means under or below. So here's your locating fist again. And zem, 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 manas rokas. Next one is pats, and the form we'll use is pašu. And pats or pašu is the self or the same. So es pats is I myself. And go like this and just do the tap your fingertips together like the very same one, like equal signs. So tas pats, that same one, the same. Tas pats. Nākošais ir paliek or palikt, which is to stay. And like when you're telling your dog stay, you put out your hand and say paliek, paliek. The command would be paliets. So same motion, paliets, paliek. Next one is tālāk, tālāk. And tālāk is further, further. So just kind of roll your hand and so on and so forth. Tālāk un tālāk. And in fact, in Latvian, the word for etc. is un tā tālāk. Tālāk un tālāk, further. So tālāk means further. Next one is apstājies. Apstājies means stop. So if this was paliek or paliets, then apstājies, just to like stop. Like you're helping somebody back up their car. Apstājies, apstājies. Don't roll any farther. Halt. So that's it for the gestures.